In this video, we will discuss an overview of surfaces. If you'd like to follow with this video, please open the file surfacesoverview.dwg located in the training folder as discussed in the Working with this Dataset video. Surfaces are used to represent an area of land on the Earth. They contain 3D geometric data such as points, contours, 3D polylines, boundaries, etc. Once data is added to the surface, a TIN, or triangulated network, is generated that makes up the surface data. Now, if any of the objects in the file that were used to create the surface are modified, you will be notified to rebuild the surface unless you have Rebuild Automatic turned on, and we'll show you where that's located. So, surfaces live in the Prospector tab in the Surfaces collection. As you can see here, we have one surface called EG, which stands for, of course, existing ground. If we expand the EG surface, you will notice that there is a definition expansion as well. This is where you add in the surface data. To add in any of the data into your surface, you simply right-click on the specific collection and choose Add. You can also peruse the surface definition to see what data is actually in the surface. In this case, we have a break lines category, and as you can see, we have From Survey Database. If I go ahead and expand this and click on the actual collection, these are the actual figures that were used to generate the surface data. You can right-click on these and choose Zoom to, and it'll zoom right to the location of where that break line is located. There's a point group that was used to actually generate point surface data within the file as well. If I go ahead and select this object, and let's go ahead and just grip pick it here and move it over here, you'll notice that it will automatically regenerate the contours, which are a byproduct of the actual TIN. Contours are not actual 2D objects like they were in older versions of civil engineering software. They're actually coming from the TIN itself. So the reason this updated automatically is that Rebuild Automatic is turned on for the individual surface. This is a setting defined per surface. If you right-click on EG, you'll see that this is where you change that option. If we go ahead and do an undo operation, this of course will undo that and retriangulate the surface.